Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs, and today I want to talk to you about gout, a painful condition caused by uric acid buildup in the joints. What you eat plays a massive role in triggering or preventing flare-ups. Let's look at 5 foods proven by science to make gout worse. 1. Red meats like beef, lamb, and pork are high in purines, which break down into uric acid. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that high red meat intake significantly increases the risk of gout in men. 2. Shellfish and organ meats like liver, kidneys, and anchovies contain extremely high levels of purines. Research from Arthritis and Rheumatism Journal found these foods greatly raise uric acid levels and are linked to more frequent gout attacks. 3. Beer contains both alcohol and purines, making it a double threat for gout. A Harvard study showed that each daily serving of beer increases gout risk by up to 50%. 4. Sugary drinks, especially those with high fructose corn syrup, raise uric acid levels rapidly. A JAMA study found that men who drank 2 or more sugary drinks per day had an 85% higher risk of developing gout. Refined carbs spike blood sugar and increase inflammation, which worsens gout. While they're not purine rich, a diet high in white flour and sugar can still trigger flare-ups. Studies suggest they worsen insulin resistance, which is linked to uric acid buildup. If you're dealing with gout, avoiding these foods can make a huge difference. Focus on an anti-inflammatory, low-purine diet to protect your joints and lower uric acid naturally. For a complete science-backed eating plan that reduces inflammation and supports healing, check out my book, Eat to Heal. It's based on the Aster diet, a natural, doctor-developed approach to restoring health through food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggling with gout. See you in the next video.